welcome to our channel. In this session, we are going to discuss another example of calculating time complexity by using frequency count mechanism. Now, coming to this one, the first A is equal to 1. This is just an initialization. How many number of times the statement is executed? This is executed only one time. Now, the condition A less than B. Here we don't know the value of B. Remember, based on the value of B, here A value is updated. For your understanding, assume already they are given. Initially, A is equal to 1. Suppose 1 less than B, I don't know B value, 1 less than B, this statement is executed. Now A is equal to A into 2. Now what is the value of A? 1 into 2. In the next iteration, 2 into 2, that is 2 square. In the next iteration, 4 into, that is 2 square into 2, that is 2 cube. In the next iteration, 2 cube into 2, that is 2 power 4, and so on. Yes or no? Here if you know the B value means we know when to stop the while loop. But here I don't know the B value. The loop repeats, that is the A value is incremented in the powers of 2. This is 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 square, 2 cube, and so on. A is value is up to 2 power k. That is, it is repeated up to 2 power k. Now, when we are coming out of the loop, whenever A value is greater than or equal to B value. If A less than B means we are inside the loop. If A value is greater than or equal to B value means we are coming out of the loop. Here my assumption, what is my assumption? A is equal to 2 power k. Suppose 2 power k greater than or equal to some B. Now k is equal to simply log B. Now what is the time complexity? This algorithm time complexity is big O of log B. You got it? Here why I assumed the loop is repeated up to 2 power k, and we are coming out of the loop whenever A greater than or equal to B. Remember, before greater than first equal occurs. Yes or no? That is A is equal to B, the loop ends. 2 power k greater than or 2 power k is equal to B. K means log B to the base 2. Simply the time complexity for this is big O of log B. Clear? This is the way to calculate the time complexity.